This video is going to help you make tens and hundreds of dollars in each and every single day for free. So make sure you follow this video till the end so that you won't miss out a single step, which I personally used to make $700+ in just 20 days. And I'll be also adding a simple trick to even earn more from this. So let's get started. The process from which I get paid is if some people go and install an app which I promote, I get paid. So this is really simple. If you use an Instagram page, just post a normal video in your Instagram page, and if people swipe, they see your ad, and from there you can look into the analytics. Around 49 people click on the link which I provided in my bio, and people mostly have converted into the installs and I get paid for it. This is one of my page where I gained 0 to 16k followers in just few weeks. So I'll be showing you exactly how I took from 0 to 1k followers in just 2 weeks. This page is all about satisfying content. You can choose any niche as of your wish. Now the very first thing what you have to do is to create an Instagram page in any topic. Just add few content, make it into a professional page, and post like 5 to 6 posts previously on the first hand. Now what you have to do is go to any satisfying page. Like for example, if I take this page which has around like 16k followers and 130 posts, they post satisfying posts as well. Now what you have to do is download these stuffs and re-upload in your own page. You can actually use their own description. You just need to change their Instagram username to yours and just give proper credit to the user. First post 5 to 6 posts in your page, and then what you have to do is go to any satisfying page and look for the latest post which they have uploaded. Here the latest post is 17 hours ago. Now what you have to do is go to the likes and follow each and every single person. Yeah, it's the same old school follow for follow strategy, but I promise it still works like charm. What you have to do now is to follow each and every followers, and some of them will surely follow you back. If you're still concerned about this method, I will show you another page which I own and took it from 0 to 1k followers in just 2 weeks. Okay, this is one of my page. I just used the same follow for follow strategy and took it from 0 to 900 followers in just 2 weeks, and the rest came organically. First, if you have few followers and you automatically get engagement in your post, and Instagram will boost your post to the explore page. Okay, and that's how I gained another 800 followers in just 1 week. After getting your first 1k follower, keep posting regularly with good content. Automatically you will reach a lot of more people, and at some point of time, like 3k to 4k followers, you can get into this method. It doesn't take more than a month to get these amount of followers. Then what you have to do is go to a website called plugco.in. I will also leave a link in my description along with a referral code, and if you use that, I'll earn a small commission. Just go to this website, sign up with the Instagram account which you created, and after the small verification process, you will be accepted in this network. After you get accepted into the network, just log into the website. You can start promoting any app as of your kind. There are already a pre-uploaded creative to use. You can download any of these creative along with the link which is provided. Then what you have to do is go to your page and just post a normal video in your Instagram page, and if people swipe, they see your ad, and from there you can look into the analytics. Around 49 people click on the link which I provided in my bio, and people mostly have converted into the installs and I get paid for it. So this is a really simple method, and it works for a long run. Other way of using your Instagram page to earn money is by paid partnership. For example, this is one of the page where you can start promoting their product and you get paid like $10 to $15 for each and every single post you post in your Instagram page. So if you like this video, do leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thanks and have a nice day.